Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect MetaMask to Uniswap on Ethereum step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the MetaMask website. Download and install the MetaMask extension for your browser. Once installed, click the MetaMask icon in your browser's toolbar. Create a new wallet or import an existing wallet using your seed phrase. Set a secure password for your MetaMask wallet. Once your wallet is set up, click on the MetaMask icon again to unlock your wallet. You'll need to connect to the Ethereum mainnet if it's not already selected. To do this, click on the network dropdown and select Ethereum mainnet. Visit the Uniswap website by searching for it in your browser. Once on the Uniswap page, click on Launch App. You will see a button that says Connect Wallet in the upper right corner. Click on Connect Wallet to bring up wallet options. Select MetaMask from the list of available wallets. A MetaMask pop-up will appear, asking for permission to connect. Review the connection request and click Next. Then, click Connect to establish the connection. Once connected, you'll see your wallet address displayed on the Uniswap interface. You are now ready to start trading on Uniswap using your MetaMask wallet. Make sure you have some Ethereum in your wallet to cover transaction fees. You can now swap tokens or provide liquidity as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.